Well, hello again, Internet. Corinne here, and you're watching Corinne vs. Pin. Yeah, I know, it's been quite a while since I've done this show. But that's because we've been renovating a house and moving, and that shit is very tiring. If you want to see more about that, you can go watch my vlog on my personal channel. It's just chock full of riveting content. Today, I'll be trying the foil ball challenge. I'm aware Rob just did this project last week, but there were so many comments requesting that I try it. Now, if Rob can pull this off, I know I can do it. So let's get started, shall we? First thing I should probably do is watch a video on how to make this foil ball. Maybe I'll actually watch one of Rob's videos. Getting that YouTube money. Why can't I skip this ad? Rob, you're wasting so much aluminum foil. Killing the planet. All right, I think I got the basic concept. It's not that difficult. You just make an aluminum foil ball, you hammer it for a while. I got this covered. We still have so much to do in here, but fuck it. Let's make a foil ball. Totally confident in my skills to make a shiny aluminum foil ball. We probably should attach that to the wall again.
Yeah, eventually. Christ.
This is hurting my arm. Yeah, I just realized that the camera is shaking since I'm pounding on the table that it's sitting on. Well, I've been pounding this ball for quite a while, and I'm starting to think this is a bunch of bullshit. The hammer is really heavy. It's a workout. I had to put my hair back. I don't want to do this anymore. Does anyone else think this is stupid? What the fuck is that? Krakatoa over here. Guess I'll just keep pounding. Oh yeah, I forgot that makes the camera shake. Turn on the other camera. So it's totally supposed to look like this at this point, right? Fuck. Stupid. This is my goddamn worst nightmare. Hi again. So we've had a development. This has transformed into the plant from Little Shop of Horrors. I don't think this is what's supposed to happen to your aluminum foil ball, but if this was the recreating Audrey 2 from Little Shop of Horrors challenge, I'd be winning. So I'm gonna have to try it again. It's a bunch of bollocks if you ask me. Is anyone else's arthritis flaring up? Hammer time! This ball is making me sweat. I have ball sweat. This is actually looking pretty good. I might give Rob a run for his money. Yeah, I'm coming for you, buddy. Well, here we are, day 2. And I'm ready to get to sanding and polishing. We gotta take this party outside because it's really dirty and I don't wanna dirty up my new house. Safety third. I think it's working. Do this with these gloves on. Does anyone else hate this project as much as I do? My arm's about to fall off. I need to use the electrical sander like Rob did. Yes, yes. This is the answer. Right, Kitty? Rob sometimes knows what he's talking about. It's rare, but it does happen. Feeling better already. Okay, I think that's everything. What is this? Rob only made one ball, right? This is an imposter. Oh, hell no. The wrath of Corinne. So I found this in the...
Whoa, where'd you find that? What do you do? What are you doing going through my stuff?
I had to use the sander, so
Yeah,
I'm wondering, what's that all about?
What?
As I recall from watching your video, you only made one ball. So why is there two balls and why?
What ball? What are you talking about? This is the only ball?
No.
What do you, I don't even know. What? Fushigi balls. Fushigi balls. Something.
Yeah, Fushiki you. How about
What?
that? Fushiki you, buddy.
Whoa!
Yeah. I'm questioning everything now. Day 3. Well, we've definitely learned a couple things in this video so far. Number 1, Rob's a liar. And number 2, I hate the aluminum foil ball challenge. But I'm no quitter. I'm ready to go to battle. I got my camouflage on. Let's do this. I got something in my eye. Yeah, the glasses struggle is real. I'm not sure if this is helping it or hurting it. It's shiny, but it's definitely not very reflective. I know I'm certainly reflecting on a lot of life decisions right now, but I still haven't polished it yet. So I'm gonna do that and I think we'll have ourselves a winner. Got my polish here. Oh, Christine would be so proud. Polished aluminum foil ball challenge accepted. Yeah, just look at the shine on that baby. Yeah, why not? I'll tell you why not, because I can't handle doing it anymore, okay? I think we can all agree though that Rob definitely lost this challenge. Next week is super exciting because we're doing the big house reveal that we've all been waiting for a really, really long time. Until then, I'll be trying to HGTV the f out of this place so it looks good. As always, make sure to subscribe, like up this video, and I'll see you later.